I'm Fozo Oliver, the CTO of Chili Media Group.
ConnectYu is a social media platform created for Africans, by Africans of course. So we realized that Africans don't understand how the social media space works, how to utilize it for their benefits. To this effect, we created ConnectYu. On ConnectYu, you realize that the features and the tools we have created, we have built around ConnectYu are tailored to solve this, to address these various problems that Africans face. We realized that Africans had issues selling products on the social media space. That's why we created the ConnectYu Marketplace, which is tailored to solve this problem.
Our vision for ConnectYu is to empower people by connecting them to a vast network of Africans all over the world. I think it's quite an interesting journey so far. Since the launch of ConnectYu, we have acquired over 14,000 users. And these are users who come in through organic traffic. This means we don't sponsor adverts on any platform anywhere. So it's just people who have discovered the app and they're using it for their good.
For the future of ConnectYu, I would say we'll keep building tools that will empower and connect Africans in ways not possible before.